Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some short to short hair transformations. First up, we see someone with the clippers. Wow. So she went from a bob to this gorgeous pixie cut. Loving the blonde hair color. Absolutely stunning transformation. Next up, we have someone with shoulder-length hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting a short pixie. So it looks like the stylist gave her a beautiful pixie undercut. And then we see someone with beautiful curly wavy hair. And it looks like the stylist is cutting her hair into a pixie as well. Beautiful feathered texture throughout, feathered bangs in the front, and then here we see another pixie undercut. So if you guys have made it this far into the video, and if you are enjoying today's hair inspirations, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful pixie undercut, nice angled bangs in the front. So the next hair transformation does feature a beautiful bob. Absolutely stunning. This one comes to just around the neck. And then we see someone with mid-length hair also getting a bob haircut. It's gorgeous. So the next client actually looks like she has some type of mixie or baby mullet haircut style. So the stylist is adding some color. Wow, absolutely beautiful haircuts. Loving the color as well. And then we see someone with shoulder-length hair. The stylist is adding in some color. Wow, this is by far the best transformation in my personal opinion. This blonde pixie is stunning. Love the messy, choppy texture that the stylist created as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.